Welcome back. This is part 2 of your debate mini lesson for your closing statement, catching your audience's vote. Now that you have delivered your claim and all of your reasons, along with the evidence that you found in your research, and you've provided the opposing side with the rebuttal, it is time to wrap up your debate. So the closing paragraph will include a summary of all of your main points in your argument. This would include your claim, your reasons, your counterclaim, and your rebuttal. The paragraph also includes an explanation of how your side of the argument helps or benefits the people or audience or society. Please remember, the reason you're arguing is so that you can convince people to think like you or take action. So you want to show them all the benefits to your side of the argument. How is it going to help them or society? And lastly, a powerful last line statement. Remember, this is the last thing the audience will hear. Make them believe you. Your last line could be a quote to make your point. It could be an emotional plea, basically making them feel a certain way if they don't agree with you or if they do agree with you. Play on their emotions. And the last possibility you could use is a powerful image. Describe what life would be like if they do or don't agree with you. You'll find out what I'm talking about in the next slide. So remember, Mrs. Murphy and I worked on the sneaking movie snacks into the movies. Our closing statement, you'll see in yellow, this is the summary of our claim, our statement, and everything that includes it with the rebuttal and the counterclaim. So I'm just going to read the yellow statement now. In conclusion, snacks should only be purchased at the movie theaters, not smuggled in from other stores. The movie theater owners rely on the profits from the snack counters to pay their employees and keep the theater open for all to enjoy. So now my blue statement is how it is going to benefit society or hurt society. So to prevent the decline of a fun Saturday night activity, budget your allowance and pay for your snacks at the movies. And the orange sentence is my last powerful statement to the audience to really nail the deal and help them be convinced in what I'm arguing. So my orange statement says, Jose Marti once said, "A selfish man is a thief. Don't just think of yourself next time you sneak food into the theater. Think of the paycheck you just took away from the employees." Again, I'm playing on their emotions, and I used a quote to incorporate it. At this point, the audience should feel a little guilty for sneaking food into the movies, at least those who were convinced throughout the debate. Okay? All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go right back to Schoology. And let me jump into the argument writing folder. You're going to open up the debate organizers. Within this, you're going to find the one for debate closing statement. And you will see that there's an organizer that will help set you up. Make sure you fill in the title of your debate. And then if you need help, there's a link here to a completed teacher example. And basically that is just the debate organizer that I filled in that went over all the sentences I showed you in the slideshow. So the first one, you'll choose a transition phrase to help show your audience you're wrapping things up. So you may start with in summary, in conclusion, anything that you would like on that. And then explain to the audience how your side of the argument benefits society. And then the powerful concluding statement that would make the audience choose your side. Okay? All right. Good luck.